ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, we have been looking for price to break 3350. As we can see, the price couldn't break. That's why if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned we are expecting to get one more drop similar to any of this. All right, now we want to see whether this one can turn to a channel or not. If this is a channel, then mostly if we put our line here, we don't want to see the breakout of this line. That means we don't want to see the breakout of 3050. Okay, anyway, we cannot rely on this line. This is indicative, and the reasons we put this line, if we want to put this three in relative to each other, and this one can turn to a channel, because later I will explain, maybe based on daily chart we who are expecting for the deeper correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart. First things, again, we have been looking for 3350 as a resistance. As we can see, the price couldn't break, and since we get this move there, we didn't get any uh, daily correction. That's why in my last analysis I point on any of this, I mentioned we are expecting to get any correction similar to any of this. Whether this is the start of the correction for daily, if this is the start of the daily correction, if the price break 2980, the next level we are looking for is 2710. All right, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, the best things is if the correction is within this one, we do the breakout of 2980, it can give us better confirmation for the reversal. But if this one turns to a deeper correction with a breakout of 2980, that means if the price drop to 2710, even the price break to 2710, we can expect to get this one turn to a more complex correction. That means we will be within the correction for a longer time. All right, and this is the only things we can explain if we are going to get the daily correction. That's why if we want to look for trade, we need to be quite careful. That's why we want to see whether this one turned to a channel or not. If this is the turn to a channel and the price couldn't break somewhere around 3050, any reversal, it can give us a confirmation for continuation. But at that time, we are going to see the continuation as a channel. That's mean as a corrective wave. That's why the best things is if this one turn to a daily correction and we see the price somewhere around 2980, or even within this one, it can give us better confirmation for the long term if we are looking for buy for as a long term. All right, now which one we should look for? Either we look for this one as a channel for continuation, or we wait this one turn to a deeper correction. We cannot confirm. All it depends whether the price can break out of this channel or not. If there is a breakout of this channel, then we're looking for 2980 following by 2710. That's why if he wants to look for buy at this time, we need to be quite careful, because even if you refer to my last analysis, we put this three top in relative to each other. If you refer to the indicators, we saw, we had a divergence. All right, and right now the only thing is if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is we want to see whether the price can break somewhere around 3050 or not. Because if the price give us drop some more, if this one turned to a channel, internally we can see we had the flat as a first correction flat. Then any reversal as a short move flag, we can take the trade. Having entry above the stop also can be an option in case the price give us a reverse as a sharp move. But if the price drops some more somewhere around 3050, I don't think the having entry above this is a good idea, because at that time the only ways we should look for the reversal as a short move, like similar to what we get here. All right, anyway, the only things right now we want to see whether this one can turn to a channel or this one can turn to a deeper correction based on daily, as I explained. And the most important levels right now we're looking for is 3350. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.